rich don't just get rich, they stay rich. While most people struggle to survive financially, the wealthy follow proven habits that protect and multiply their money. Today, you'll learn the 7 money habits the rich live by and how you can start using them immediately. Stay until the end. Habit 6 is the most overlooked but most powerful of all. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. The rich treat themselves like a business. Before paying bills or spending a dime, they save and invest a portion of their income. This habit ensures that money works for them instead of them working for money. They build wealth automatically because they're always their first priority. Habit 2. Avoid bad debt. Rich people don't use debt to look rich. They use it to get richer. They avoid credit cards for unnecessary stuff. Instead, they use good debt, like loans for assets that generate income, real estate, businesses, investments. Bad debt keeps you poor. Good debt builds empires. Habit 3. Learn every day. Wealthy people treat learning like oxygen. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and hire mentors. Because they know, the more you learn, the more you earn. Knowledge compounds just like money. If you stop learning, you stop growing. Habit 4. Track every dollar. The rich don't guess where their money goes. They know. They track spending, budget carefully, and review their net worth regularly. Why? Because money obeys attention. If you want more, start paying close attention to what you already have. Habit 5. Invest consistently. The wealthy don't wait for the perfect time. They invest consistently, no matter what. Markets go up and down, but they stay focused on the long term. Stocks, real estate, businesses, their money is always growing somewhere. Waiting kills wealth. Investing builds it. Habit 6. Automate everything. This is a hidden weapon. Rich people automate their finances, savings, investments, bills, and income streams. They remove emotion and eliminate forgetfulness. Their systems run 24/7. And the result? They make money, even while they sleep. Habit 7. Protect the downside. Lastly, the rich play defense too. They use insurance, legal structures, diversification, and emergency funds to protect their wealth. They don't gamble. They guard what they built. It's not just about getting rich. It's about staying rich. So now you know the 7 money habits that keep the rich rich. Which one will you start practicing today? Remember, small habits done consistently lead to massive wealth. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're serious about building lasting wealth. The journey starts now.